How to add a new page on Wix website. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process from accessing your site dashboard to customizing your new page to perfectly match your brand style. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Wix dashboard, then go directly to hit on design site. Then it will take you directly to edit and customize your site. Then first guys, on the left side there is add element, sections and pages and menu. Just go to the third one and hit on pages and menu. As you see guys, if you want to add a menu item, just hit on add menu item. It will take you directly to add and customize the menu item or menu navigation on your Wix website. Then guys, if you want to add a new page, just again hit on pages and menu, then on the top hit on add page. Then guys, it's give you a bunch of different pages if you want to add about section pages or service project, for example about pages, and it's give you a bunch of different style to about section on your Wix website. Then contact, for example, if you want to add a contact page, for example this one or this one, if you like one of these pages, just hit on view preview first. Then if you like these pages, then hit on add page, then it will be added automatically to your Wix website. Or if you want to add, for example, most people looking for 404 error page like this. I like this page, you need to add this page to your Wix website because, or if you want to add a new blank page, for example, just on the top hit on blank page, then hit on this blank page, it will take you directly to your Wix website. Then if you want to add, for example, designed sections, AI section generator, or add element, if you want to add, for example, videos or an image or picture or anything, you can easily customize it. Just hit on edit, quick edit, then you will be able to add, for example, just hit on add element or add design section. Then if you don't like this layout, just hit on the layout, then you will be able to add some layout, for example service page or contact page or any page on your Wix website. As you see guys, this is the easy method to add or create a new page on Wix website without using any paid version application. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.